To create a group email for the contacts in Gmail and send the same email to many contacts, what to do is go to this website contacts.google.com. Now you will log in with the Gmail account where you have the contacts. So let me log in. So once I log into the Gmail contact, I can see all the contacts that are stored in my Gmail account. Now for this one to work, the contacts that you have saved in your Gmail account should have this email address along with the phone number. If there is only email address, then this will not work. So if there is email address saved with the phone number, then only this will work. So what I will do is I will select the contact which has email address. So after selecting the contacts that have email address, what I will do is I will click on this arrow icon here and select this option, create label. So, and let me give a label, family. So what has happened is all the contacts that I have selected, I have grouped under a label called family. So once I do this one, I will go to my Gmail account and then let me compose a message. So after that, what I will do is in this to field, I will write the label family. So what happens, all the email addresses which are inside the label family, you can see it here. After that, I can type the subject and the email, and if I send this email, then what happens is this email will be sent to all the contacts that are present in the label called family.